Hi, everybody. This is Helen Panza, and I'm coming to you from sunny Arizona. Together, we are going to explore business in our course, Business 105, from every direction, every aspect, up and down, in and out. It's going to be a fun ride this next 8 weeks. Now, in your course, we will be having 4 live meetings. It's one of the ways we learn information here at Bryan University. Our live meetings will be held every other Tuesday beginning on February 22nd. They're going to be held at 7 a.m. Pacific time. Be sure to check your time zone to make sure you get into the right meeting. Those meetings are listed under the web meeting link on the left side of your course. Another way we'll learn is through your book. Your book is available through Bookshelf. You'll have to register for it. And it's a wealth of information. You'll be reading from your book, and your book can also read to you. Another key learning principle at Bryan University are Learn-Its. Learn-Its help you navigate terminology, concepts, and new ideas. It coincides with the book. Be sure to keep up on your Learn-Its, your assignments. There's 4 of those also, and attending your live meetings. There are many opportunities to get ahead in course. You can work ahead, and you can also turn in assignments somewhat at your own convenience. If you're late because life gets in the way, just let me know. I'll give you an extension, and you can turn in your assignment, complete your Learn-Its when it works for you. But don't get too far behind because it is difficult to catch up later in the course. Yellowdig is our community building forum. It's another way that we learn. I'll be posting topics and articles, videos on current events that are affecting business and expect you to take a look, comment, create posts, build community with your fellow students. You can even exchange phone numbers, make friends, study together from across the country. I really look forward to meeting you at our first live meeting on Tuesday and traveling together through the world of business. See you then.